What's going on, guys? It's Clay back at Caps. Keone's back on the camera. So we're going to start the process of today of replacing this engine with our used assembly that we got. Remind you that only has 101,000 miles on it versus the 152 old gal that's in her now. So along this process, we're going to walk you through some things, not all things. We're going to show you, like what we're taking out, what's going to be necessary to take out, what wiring needs to get moved, etc. from there. We, on top of that, we're going to keep a time lapse up so you guys can see in real time. Currently, it is around 1:58. We're going to start a stopwatch and see how long it takes to get us done. Once again, we'll see how long it takes us. We get out of here at 6, so hopefully got a running driving car by then.
What time is it right now in general?
It is 1:57.
All right, 1:57. We'll see how long it takes to get old Poppies, get this Lucille Bad Bandit swibbity swappity.
We'll go from there. We'll keep you guys updated along the way. Once again, we'll have a time lapse into this as well, so you can see real time what we're doing, and go from there.
Sweet. Let's get in the juice. This is Clay for an update.
So we're back. A few things that we've taken out. Now, in our case, with our used engine assembly, we're doing an engine and a trans. And so it's easier for us to take out the full wiring harness assembly with the engine, leave everything plugged in place, because all of the nook and crannies, because on fits, everything is very, very tight. With all that being said, it's going to be easier once we have the engine out. We can actually swap over wiring harnesses. Our new engine that we actually got, it was cut right at the firewall, so we do have to swap out wiring harnesses. But just to kind of give you a quick update of what we have taken out. So we've unplugged as much wiring as we can that goes over to the battery, to the fuse block, all the way back over to the firewall and into the ECM. And then we've gone ahead and we've taken out the air box, the intake, engine cover, battery tray. We had to remove one side of the cowl and the windshield wipers, strictly just to kind of get up into here for some of the wiring. But besides that, everything up top, minus the engine mounts, are completely, everything's done up top. Now, once we get under the bottom side, I've already drained the coolant on this, but we'll show you guys along with a few of the things that we're going to have to pull before we get to the engine mounts. So for the people out there who don't know, this is a suspended engine, okay? So this is not a bottom mounted, how do I want to say this, bottom braced engine. So the engine mounts, like on a V8, here's your engine, and you're going to have your engine mounts on either side, okay? With this, if you look along inside here, this is a suspended engine. So you're going to have one engine mount on this side, another on this one, and then I can't remember if this has a T-bone in the back or on the bottom, but it's suspended in place. So there's not a cradle that's physically holding it in. It's mostly the unibody of the vehicle that's actually holding it in. Most Hondas you'll actually find are like that. But we'll get this thing up in the air, and we'll move on to the next steps. Give you guys an update in a minute. You want to go full extendo or?
Full extension. Extension dimension. It's ready to come.
Oh shit.
Ooh, told you. $2.25.
I'm just gonna take it.
All right, she's coming out. The old girl.
I'm just gonna take it at 225 or 222.5, dude. I need it gone.
Hold on.
I don't have anything else.
Freedom. Yep.
Angle it first thing until it's oil filter gets past.
Hold on. There you go.
There we go.
And Thor.
Just gonna angle it. Good.
Yeah, it's just one little tiny hose. Bring it on back, Dale.
Anything?
Nope.
Nope. It's like 3:05.
It's 5:10.
Yeah.
Oh, my watch is like. My watch is
5:10.
fast, I can never-
That's not bad. Not bad. All right, now let's get the other one in before 6.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. Alrighty guys, so power harness and everything's built back up on the engine. And we're just getting through the process of getting it set back in the car now.
All right, bad boy Clay in the car. Got her in record time. She's in here. We are about to key on and see how she does. How do you feel about this, Clay?
I'm feeling pretty good about it,
You feel pretty good about it? Huh? Yeah. No regrets? All right, let's go, buddy. Like butter. It was never even taken out. We're gonna run the bleed test through it, make sure she got coolant, got new oil. There we go, baby. Uh-huh.
That sounds better.
Sounds a lot better.
Sounds a lot fucking better. Runs a little bit smoother. And once again, lower mile engine, so it works out for us. And now we've got a spare engine for if we want to build, if we want to do anything we want. So it all works out.
There we go, baby. Yeah, listen to that, man. The other one had a lot of vacuum noises and but this is a unit. Shout out Daniel, thank you for a pearl.
Yes, absolutely.
Heck yeah. So after this, I know Clay is deciding we're gonna do probably a coilover video.
Yep.
Right?
So this in the next coming weeks, we should have a coilover video, and then to follow that up, we also do have. I'm planning on building a full custom exhaust for this, so it's going to be a full welded-in kit. So I am planning on doing pie cuts, so I can walk you guys through that, show you the math for pie cuts, kind of give you a little bit of a little bit of a show on our cute little muffler we got for it.
Well, yeah, that's right. Exhaust and the coilo. Look how cute it is! Look at this thing! You know what's coming next.
But
Heck
as
yeah.
this is a blocks racing muffler, so we'll get it built. We'll show you guys the way, and we'll go from there.
Hell yeah. You guys already know the rule. Do what you love what you do, and you will never work a day in your life. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe.
See you guys.
It's a fact, your spirit soul is under full attack. When you think with half a mind, you'll probably never make it back. And if I give a piece of mind, you'll be a sad sack. Cue the laugh track, I'm taking chopsticks, inserting optics, cause it's obnoxious, the hardy rock.